Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times, and this is a unique product that we got to test out. And these are the Motorola Tech3 with the Trix technology, and these are the 3-in-1 smart true wireless headphones. 3-in-1 in the sense we haven't seen something like this in the market so far from any of the brands, and you can see clearly on the front they come with a true wireless earbuds which could be converted to a sport loop that is a neckband kind of a solution, and you can even connect them to a smartphone with a 3.5 mm wire. So this thing we have seen with some premium headphones. The connectivity of a wire to a Bluetooth headphone is not uncommon. That is common with a Bluetooth headphone that is a proper over the ear headphone. But for a true wireless earbud to convert into these options is something that we have not seen from any of the major brand, and Motorola is one of the first to do that. So this is quite an interesting product, and while the MRP of this one or the actual price is 10,000 rupees, this currently are available for 6,000 rupees. So again, we are talking about a price point of about 6,000, and that is where it makes things interesting, because for 5,000 we have a few good true wireless earbud options, but that added to this and everything as a package in one single case, that is what makes it a very unique product. So if we talk about the major features here, you can see these are the major features. The earbuds themselves would offer about 7 hours of battery life, and the case along with it would give you about 11 hours of extra battery. So a total of 18 hours. And then the earbuds are IPX5 rated. There's a case that would help in the cable management, and then the turbocharge technology here helps charge the earbuds quickly. In 15 minutes you could get about 3 hours of battery life, and again with the audio plugin you can get that unlimited playtime, that is with the wired option. You have Bluetooth 5.0, and the codecs supported here are HSP, HFP, A2DP and AV-RCP. So you don't see the standard other major codecs like the aptX or the Qualcomm's technology and those things, but apart from that you can use either of the earbuds as mono Bluetooth headsets. And in the box you're getting these things, that's the earbuds, the case, the ear tips, as well as the wires here to help convert these earbuds into a sports earphones. And this is how it would actually look like. This comes with the Hubble technology, that's Verve Life apps for your headphones. Locate your lost earbuds on a map, and you can unlock 70,000 plus Amazon Alexa skills and features, and access online user manual. So here's the support. You can see that it has Alexa built in, it has support for Google Assistant, there's also support for the Apple Siri. So that's everything that you need to know about them. And if you check out the box on the side here, you can see the price is 9,999. That's the official price, but then right now it's for 5,999. Now let's unbox this and check out what comes inside the box package. So this is how it would look like, and that's the case here. Let's open this up, and this is for the first time, so I haven't used them. I'm just unboxing these for you, and we'll be using this over the weekend, and then I could let you know about my final thoughts about this one. Basically we won't be able to compare these right now, because comparison wouldn't really make any sense, because there's no product that is actually competing this. These are quite unique and different from what we've seen in the market right now from any other brand. So comparison in terms of sound quality could be done, but what these earphones offer is completely different. So again, you can see here there's a mention about that Alexa and the skills that you can get here. So just tap and ask Alexa to enjoy 70,000 plus skills on the go. And then you have the entire guide on how to actually set them up and how to use them in different options, not just the earbuds, but also as the neckband and everything. Then you have the user manual and also the warranty booklet here. And these come with the micro USB cable. So that's one thing that I would feel like, okay, this is something on the past generation, not something that is in the future. It still is micro USB, not type C. I would have expected it to be type C. And there are two pairs of ear tips that are extra, because one of them already comes with the earbuds. So total of 3 pairs there. And let's take this out and check them properly. So that's it in the box. Let's keep that aside and now check out the earbuds and also the case, how it comes as a package. So now these are the earbuds. So a proper Motorola branding here that you see here, and they are quite heavy. I mean, if you talk about most of the earbuds in this price range, not about the price range, in the earbud category itself, If I recall, I can say that it's only the Sennheiser Momentum ones which were a bit heavy, and they are similar to this. This actually has the magnetic pins and everything, and with a large battery, and along with that you have this. If you look at it from the side, you have this entire area that is filled with that battery itself, and this is the inner area that would sit inside your ears. I mean, to actually sit them well inside the ears. So they are actually a bit heavy, and still, I mean, if they are comfortable enough with the in-ear option, then that heftiness would not be really noticeable. These are the pins for charging the earbuds, and then you have these to connect with the wire, so that they become that neckband option, which would be the second option there. So you have the proper indicators for left and right, and if you look at it here, you can see that the light indicator is already blinking. Let's see if we can connect it with the smartphone right away, and if that works easily. So that blinking clearly says that the Tech 3 is available for pairing. So let's pair them up, and let's see. So I have the indicator for pairing, and finally it's about to pair there. Let's see if it does. Yes, and there's 100% battery over here. You have the options for the regular ones, but there's no mention about the codec. So there's no AAC, there's no other standard heavier codec, but it's the basic ones that you see here. Now the interesting part is this, and again I would come back to its weight. It's not really that light, and obviously it won't be. This is all plastic from top to bottom, and even the entire center area is plastic, and then you have this long wire. So this is the magnetic placement of this one, and we could pull this out very easily. Let me take it out, and it actually is, this is that 3.5 mm connector. Basically this is to connect the smartphone directly without the Bluetooth option, and the other one, the neckband area, would be this one. So let me also pull that out. So here's a lid over the top, and if you lift this, this is where the earbuds would sit. So that's how the earbuds would actually rest in this, and if you lift this, this is the area where the Bluetooth thing would work. So let's pull this out. It, as I said, it's very different and very interesting. You can see these tiny wires, or the pins of that. So finally we have it out here, and this is the magnetic area again for the Poco pin area, and these are like the electrical pins over the front, and the left and right ones. So let me connect that to the earphones and then show you how it actually would look like. So these are the individual earbuds, and this would need some actually proper care would be needed here, because if you look at this, you can actually see that these would go inside the pin area. So that is how you would actually place it, and it needs some care. You can't do that carelessly and then break it and complain about it. Since this is kind of a different technology, it would need that extra proper care, and this is similar to a current socket or a power socket, and let me place it on the other side as well. So this is how the Bluetooth or the neckband thing would work like. So this is how it is. I'll keep them aside and show you the entire options now. So now this is a neckband option. So you can see here. So we have the music playing here, and this is a complete touch area. So if you can take a look at it here, I'll just tap it once and it would actually play and pause the music. And so it works well. The touch is very responsive. It's very light touch. And if I press this for long, it would actually activate the Google Assistant there. So that's also an easy way to do it. So that is how it would look like. And this is, if you take a look at the wire here, it seems like a very thin wire, so that is not going to take any extra weight, and it's going to just sit right there. So this is how it would look like. This is the neckband option. And then now if you have the smartphone and you don't have a lot of battery in your earbuds, and still you wanted to have it connected to your smartphone, this is how it would actually connect there. Again, a magnetic solution here, so by magnets it would connect this. And you can, in case again you need your smartphone to have the 3.5 mm headset jack, most of the smartphones now are taking that out, so you can actually play this with the battery of the smartphone, and this becomes like a normal earphone. So For a normal earphone, I would say the codecs are not that great, and you would obviously see that kind of a compromise. But then for a Bluetooth option, it's still not bad, either the neckband or even as the earbuds. But we would actually test this out in case you guys are really interested to know how good the sound quality, how good the call quality of this one is. Then I would do a separate full review of this one. But otherwise, this was just to let you know how this thing works and how this looks like, and how good the technology is. Actually, you don't see these kind of options, and it actually seemed a lot interesting to me. You can see the 3.5 option, and then the neckband option, and these separate earbud options. If you take this out, these are just the normal earbuds that you see as the TWS options. So obviously very interesting and a unique product from Motorola here. That's the Motorola Tech 3. And as I said, if you guys are really interested to check out the review, let me know and I'll do the full review by testing them out. But for now, that's it. This was the quick unboxing and an overview of the Motorola Tech 3 with the Trix technology. I hope you like this video. If you do share and subscribe to Gizmo Times some more. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.